How to use Handshake AI, a full beginner tutorial. So you gotta put in mind that this tool or Handshake AI itself is mainly a project-based fellowship or work platform. So it's not really a general chatbot app, and the exact projects and tasks available depend on your qualifications, application status, and current openings. But if you want to get started, you can create or sign up to your Handshake account. So go ahead to the official website, go to your preferred browser, and just search for Handshake. If you already have the app, you should be able to do it from there. But go ahead and choose the sign up option. But you gotta put in mind that new students, or if you are creating a new student account, it's usually going to be asking you for their school or email during your sign up. So access to school only jobs and resources and all of these, just go ahead and put in your school. But if you want, you can also go ahead and skip this section for now. After that, you're gonna have to verify your phone number. So just choose your country code for your phone number and put your phone number over here. Send code, and you're gonna have to have your phone ready since the code will go to your phone, and you're just gonna put in the code in the website so that it verifies your phone number. So next, you're gonna have to apply to the Handshake AI Fellowship. So this is going to be an application, and you're gonna have to complete the required information if it is asked from you. And Handshake does use this program to match students, recent graduates, and professionals with project-based AI training work. And if you are accepted to move forward, you can complete the required onboarding steps such as identity verification, the phone verification, which you pretty much already did, and any background check requirements that is shown in your account. Handshake does say you can then go ahead to your dashboard, open the project you've been assigned, and complete all onboarding and training requirements before starting your tasks. Training can include project rules, deliverables, task instructions, and information about time tracking. So once you're approved to begin, complete the assigned AI-related tasks such as reviewing AI outputs, annotating data, or suggesting improvements. After completing your first task, you can set up your payout information through Stripe from the payment section of your Handshake AI dashboard. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can start up with your Handshake AI. So hopefully this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.